Hello YouTube, this is Bimmer7 Guy here, and I got something really special that I'm going to be unboxing for y'all today, showing you what's included, and we're going to have a review video later of it, and after that, probably a comparison video between it and another scanner. Well, I just said it, it's a scanner. This is the Youcanic scanner we're going to be unboxing today. Here we go. Look at that. That right there is awesome. Check that out. Advanced all system diagnostics. Let's check out what the product highlights say here. Universal vehicle coverage, comprehensive full system diagnostic, advanced bidirectional and special functions, advanced coding support. That's awesome. Plus they have US based support, which is awesome. Effortless connectivity and updates. Remote support capabilities and engineered for professionals and perfect for the DIYers. And it's designed in the US. All right, let's get it open. Oh, I like that. That looks awesome. You ready for what's in here? Let's see. Check that out. And I did get the one with the borescope. This is the borescope, I believe. I'm gonna love to try that out. That looks awesome. Here's the instruction booklet. There's the OBD2 blue dongle that connects to the tablet. Power cord, or power brick. Here's the power cord. It's Type C, which is awesome. Let's get this scanner out of there. Take a look. Check that out. That's awesome. Now I'm going to get it powered up. I'm going to get it charged and then powered up, and we'll take a look at the basic things. Alright, so we got it all powered up and stuff, and when it pops up, it actually gives you this message anyway, that it's not guaranteed to work on any and every vehicle. Now this thing, if you want to pause the video, I can leave it up for a second and start scrolling down so you can read it if you want. and give me a minute. I'll count. All right, so this is the setup of the screen that it'll come to after you go through registering the tablet. Once you register it, it's going to get you to activate the serial number for the tablet. Now, the cool thing with these Youcanic scanners is they do come with lifetime free updates for the tablet, which is amazing for anybody that gets a scanner to do anything with their automobile, really, because most vehicles nowadays, you can't do half the things you could before without having some sort of scanner to do like maintenance functions. See, look at all these different things that you can do. And I'm just gonna scroll down slowly. And half these things you wouldn't be able to do normally without it. Most cars now, you can't even change the brakes without putting it in a service function to be able to change the brakes. And it's got the diagnosis. I'm going to be going into that here in a little bit. The video scope I'm going to try out, see how that does. But it has remote control support, has the updates, firmware update, the VCI manager, auxiliary tools. Here's a coverage list. It's going to go over all the vehicles that it supports. You can actually select a vehicle, which let's go ahead and select. Let's go to something that my other scanner does not have on it. Right there. Tesla. My other scanner doesn't support Tesla. And let's say the battery management system. I can do all these different things with the battery management system, which is something my other scanner, and I'll go over that later in another video, doesn't have. But I'm gonna try the scanner out and give you a honest review here in about maybe a day, maybe two, and then I'll do a comparison video after that. Thanks for watching. All right, and I just want to go over a quick thing for the diagnostic. We're gonna run diagnostic here. This is special functions for this demo vehicle we have here. The DPF, regeneration service. Let's see the conditions for that there. All right. And you can see it's going through, it's activating. So we're gonna go back. The tire pressure monitoring system, you can rewrite sensors on there if you put a new tire sensor in. Brake bleed. Steering angle sensor calibration. Let's go ahead and do a scan on this vehicle. We'll do a quick scan. Whoa. Look at all these faults. Well, at least the CVT transmission on here doesn't have any errors. Let's see what smart parking assist errors this thing had. Oh, wow. You know, let's go ahead and clear these codes, see if they return. Let's go ahead and clear them. Codes cleared. Let's check it. Active codes there. Oh wow, I like that. Pretty cool. Also, another feature I wanted to point out was with the dongle. This button right here on the dongle. It's actually a light. It's very helpful for trying to look for that OBD port sometimes when you're looking under the dash. Comes in handy. All right, well that's it. Thank y'all. Bimmer7 guy.